In the autonomous ecosystem that developed out of jokes and social media hype, meme coins are taking over the world of cryptocurrencies like a storm. Dogecoin, named after the Shiba Inu dog breed, has captured the attention of many digital currency users. A number of investors have hopped on the independent cryptocurrency bandwagon in hopes of making a fortune. A millionaire in the environment believes that Bitcoin Spark could provide a 20x return this winter. Despite the fact that Bitcoin Spark is new to the environment, it has been able to attract digital currency billionaires. How to keep up with savvy investments traders and investors with a lot of experience, deep pockets, and a wealth of knowledge about the Bitcoin market are often referred to as smart money. It is often said that these companies and individuals gain an advantage when dealing in decentralized finance, so they have a significant impact on how the market moves and what trends emerge. Retail investors are firmly encouraged to observe or imitate the movements of these whales, because it provides them with more crucial information about trends. Will crypto rebound in the last 10 years? Since Bitcoin, the first digital currency, was released, a great deal has changed in the world of cryptocurrencies. Several possible whales have moved into the niche to help the economy grow. Based on how the market has moved and changed in the past, the coin economy may develop in the winter of 2024. Bitcoin Spark is poised to double in size. Bitcoin Spark, a new crypto project, has already made waves in the blockade environment. The crypto project has received a great deal of attention in the world of traditional banking. Auditing firms such as Contract Wolf and Cognitos have already completed smart contracts and know your customer checks. The platform has a plan that shows how it will progress from the time of the initial coin offering ICO to the launch date, and after the launch, the app has features that make it simple for both experienced and new users to navigate. The site has its own coin, called BTCS, that is used to reward community members who help develop the project. The maximum number of tokens that can be created is 21 million, which is the same as Bitcoin. Of those 21 million tokens, 4.55 million will go to the start of the network. Supply and 55 million tokens will go to the mining prize pool. Initial coin offerings, team tokens, pre-launch platforms, and liquidity pools will each receive a portion of the start amount. Those who wish to join the project can do so by participating in Phase 5 of the ICO. Proof of process is a one-of-a-kind method for all site participants to concur on what should occur. The consensus procedure employs both evidence of stake and proof of work procedures. The consensus method makes it simpler to verify the validity of blocks and create new TCS coins. In addition, the project reject has a unique formula that allows awards to be distributed in ways other than a straight line. Both large and minor players receive a portion of the benefits. In a recent development, the founders of Glassnode, known as Negentropic, have made an intriguing statement about Bitcoin's price. This prediction is more likely to come true because it was based on the theories of a well-known dealer, Henrik Seeberg. The founders of Glassnode, who go by the name Negentropic, have made an intriguing prediction about the price of Bitcoin. This prediction is more likely to be accurate because it was based on the concepts of Henrik Seeberg, a well-known dealer. The next step is the topic of everyone's thoughts. According to Seeberg's research, we may be on the verge of a significant price increase. His prediction is that Bitcoin will soar to $28,660, a 7.5% increase from its current price. The crypto community is excited about this prediction, and BTC enthusiasts can't wait to see what happens. As the cryptocurrency market fluctuates, it's not surprising that everyone is watching Bitcoin's path to $28,660. In the next few days, it will become clear whether this prediction is a sign of a new growth cycle or a temporary blip. Bitcoin #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin news #Bitcoin price #Bitcoin Ali Martinez, a crypto expert, recently drew attention to an important trend in Bitcoin BTC. Although the price of Bitcoin has remained around $26,000, there has been an unexpected increase in the number of new BTC addresses. From an on-chain perspective, this change is viewed as a major bullish signal. Divergence. One indication that this is a favorable trend is that there are now a record number of 1,487 addresses holding 0.1 Bitcoin or more, which is a new high. The number of Bitcoin addresses that are not zero has also reached an all-time high of 49,138,848. Even though prices are changing, these numbers show that buyers are becoming more interested in and active in the market. Some market analysts are talking about the chance of a while all of this is going on using historical data. They say that after the 50 and 200 moving averages crossed, the market went down in earlier bear markets, but it's important to think about this factor along with other market factors since cryptocurrencies are affected by many things in different news. But as the crypto world closely watches these changes, another important event is coming up on September 20th. The Federal Reserve will hold a very important meeting. The general feeling in the market is that they will pause before making a decision, and a shocking 97% of market players expect this to happen. Meanwhile, has been in the news because it is trying to get permission to sell cryptocurrency assets worth $3.4 billion at a rate of $200 million per week. At the same time, there are still legal worries. The SEC has accused banks of violating securities laws, causing people to fear for the safety of U.S. citizens' assets on the platform. DOGE's partners are to blame for maliciously freezing funds, the platform claims. The Dubai-based cryptocurrency exchange SPEX accuses regulators and third-party market makers for a liquidity issue that has caused the platform to increase withdrawal fees and suspend certain operations. In a blog entry dated September 17, SPEX stated that its third-party market makers had maliciously frozen funds as a result of unfair treatment from certain institutions in Hong Kong. And the bad news was that they requested more information from the platform in order to negotiate, thereby limiting our liquidity and significantly increasing our daily operating costs, thereby causing operational issues. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission was mentioned. FSC is investigating whether or not the exchange advertised its services to Hong Kong residents without first obtaining a license in the country. According to a September 18 article in the South China Morning Post, at least 83 individuals have complained to Hong Kong police about the exchange. Celsius and Core Scientific reach a $45 million agreement. Core Scientific and Celsius Network have reached an agreement to resolve their legal dispute, but the court must still sanction it. Core Scientific announced on September 15 that it had reached a deal to sell a Bitcoin mining data center to Celsius for $14 million in cash, which would end all existing litigation. The data center was worth about $45 million since October 2022, when Core Scientific claimed that Celsius hadn't paid its bills. The two companies have been in court since then, with Celsius claiming that Core Scientific wasn't doing what